Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive crypto on your TREZOR Model One. To receive crypto, you'll need to go to the type of crypto you want to receive in your TREZOR Suite app. Then click on Receive in top right corner and show full address. Then verify that on both devices, your computer and your TREZOR, there is the same address being shown. It is very important to verify it. Once it's verified, click on Confirm on the device. Then you can copy the address or give the QR code to a person that's supposed to send you crypto. Now I'll just type it into my other account. Basically, so hold on a second, and yeah, I should receive it now. So in a moment my account will be topped up and I'll see my balance changed. So it's pretty simple. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.